Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix could not add card Apple Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and make sure right here to go to those steps, and then basically contact your card issuer if you see or if you to see if they support the Apple Pay, and then update to the latest version of iOS, OS, or Vision OS. Confirm that you have facial recognition, Touch ID, or Optic ID, or a passcode set in your device. Probably Apple does not approve or decline a card. Basically, if your card functions, it will function. If your card functions, they will function on Apple. But if they don't, you need to contact your bank insurer in order to get to the bottom of it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.